Commit to your health and fitness goals today and get the machine designed to help you get there, the City L6 Treadmill from ProForm. There's never been a better time to get in the best shape of your life. Made easier with integrated coaching streamed directly to your connected devices. With access to iFit's amazing video library, you can run along with some of the world's best fitness trainers as they take you on a journey to exotic locations across the globe. Once you've made your choice, your treadmill will automatically adjust to match the terrain. And with a maximum speed of 8 miles per hour, no goal is out of reach. With your coach in charge, just follow along, and you'll make the most out of every workout. Step away from your machine and enjoy the full range of what iFit has to offer. From guided weight training to yoga, delivered via Bluetooth to your own connected devices, so your coach is never more than a few clicks away. We know space is at a premium, so once you're done exercising, simply move your machine out of the way. Take the first step on your fitness journey today with the City L6 Treadmill by ProForm.
Take your fitness to the next level with the power and performance you have come to expect from the #1 in-home fitness brand, the Premier 500 from ProForm. Use Bluetooth to connect your personal device and gain access to iFit's expansive library of videos, where some of the world's best trainers coach you from some of the most incredible places. And your treadmill will adjust the incline and speed to mimic the terrain, so you'll feel like you're actually there. The powerful 2.5 continuous horsepower motor packs the punch for even the most vigorous workouts. Adjust your speed from 0 to 10 miles per hour, or increase the intensity and burn more calories by changing the incline between 0 and 10%, all with the touch of a button. And keep your stats in front of you, from distance covered to calories burned on the multi-window LED display. And have access to your own devices while you work out using the integrated tablet holder with device grip design, so you never have to miss a beat. Move comfortably with the innovative ProShocks cushioning system, which will help you keep going for those long training sessions. And run with ease on the full-size 20 by 55-inch tread belt. Plug your personal device into the audio auxiliary port and move to the rhythm, played through the crystal-clear set of 2-inch speakers. With 20 onboard workouts, all designed by certified professional trainers, you can do something different every day of the week. For a fast and reliable heart rate reading, simply grip the EKG sensors, conveniently built into the handlebars. The treadmill comes with precision machined 1.9-inch rollers, which reduce the noise and provide a better grip. With a strong and powerful frame, this treadmill is designed to accommodate up to 300 pounds. And it's built to last. Now is the time to reach your personal fitness goals. The Premier 500 Treadmill from ProForm.
With ProForm Sport 7.0C Treadmill, taking charge of your health and fitness has never been easier. Have confidence that whatever your fitness goals, this treadmill will help you get there, with integrated coaching delivered directly to your own connected devices. Gain access to iFit's large library of exercise videos, and choose from some of the world's best-known fitness trainers as you run along in stunning locations, from the bustling streets of Paris to the pristine sands of Thailand. Make your choice, and your machine will automatically adjust speed and incline to match your chosen route. This treadmill comes with a solid construction and powerful motor to meet any fitness challenge. And with your coach in charge, all you have to do is follow along, and you'll get the most out of every workout. With Bluetooth connectivity, take your coach with you anywhere you go, and enjoy all that iFit has to offer, from guided weight training to yoga and so much more. Stream to your own connected devices. And once you're done with your workout, simply store your treadmill out of the way. This treadmill supports up to 300 pounds. With its innovative design and state-of-the-art technology, the Sport 7.0C Treadmill offers the no-compromise experience that only ProForm can deliver. So get yours today.